Hi! In front of me is Microsoft Surface Pro 7 Plus, and today I would like to show you where you can locate text correction options. Begin by opening Devices Settings and selecting Time and Language. Following that, click on Typing section. And as you can see, some text correction options are over here. To manage them, click on the switchers next to the chosen ones. You can also tap on Advanced Keyboard Settings and manage all of those options as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!